Hi, you may have heard that it is pretty easy to remotely access a Linux system from another system using a protocol called SSH. Well, that can also be done with the help of a Android device. Let's say you are somewhere at some place and you want to access your Linux system and you don't have a computer. You can directly do that with the help of your Android device, any tablet or your smartphone. For that, this is the app which is freely available on the Android Play Store, which name is Juice SSH. Let me show you on the Play Store. So this is the app you need to install and then you open it. Click on Quick Connect and enter the username and IP address of the computer you want to log into. Let's say I'm trying to access this system in this particular user on my system, on my network. So I enter the IP address, I hit enter. Now it would ask you to enter the password. I enter the password and that's it. I am into that system, right? Now you can run any command here. Let's say ifconfig to check its IP address. Right. So here we get the IP address, which is the IP address we want to log into. Let's say we enter uname minus a, hit enter. So here are the details of the system. To exit the SSH session, you need to write the exit command and press exit. That is it for this video. Thank you very much.